friends. How are you all doing? How are your jobs? How's your lives going on? Welcome to this video. In particular, people who are trying to achieve weight loss, which is hard. I know, guys. I know you are probably not happy. I know, like, waking up in the morning, looking at yourselves in the mirror, you open your wardrobe and you're like, okay, what can I wear today? What fits me, you know? And then you just pick out your baggy clothing, big t-shirts, big jumpsuits, pants, you know, things like that. And people want to lose weight. So that's why I'm here today to talk to you about Mitolyn, okay? Mitolyn can help you to lose weight. Finally, you know, you can finally go out feeling like you're gorgeous, having your self-esteem restored, being really happy with the body you're in, and waking up each and every day excited to wear, you know, clothes that you've never imagined you wear before. And Mitolyn, it's not just about weight loss, it's about your overall health. So I left for you their official webpage in the description box of this video. Pop over there to learn more about Mitolyn and also purchase it. And please remember, Mitolyn's best to be purchased only on their official webpage in order for you to get the original product, okay? But guys, Mitolyn, you see, Mitolyn has this name to it. It helps you also fix your mitochondria. It helps you to fix your vision, your cognitive abilities, your heart, your blood pressure, your skin. It helps you with your digestive system. It helps you with your cholesterol. So there's lots of great things it brings to the table. Now, its main function is to help you fix up your mitochondria function. Don't know what that is, right? This is actually a tiny little enzyme in your bodies that is responsible for helping you with energy and weight loss. So your mitochondria is actually pretty low, I'm guessing, on levels, you know, because if you're not losing weight, then that's the only thing I could think about. It's your mitochondria. So Mitolyn has these ingredients that go from amla to maqui berry to theobroma cacao to Sandra, astaxanthin, and all of these ingredients help you to boost your mitochondria, meaning you are fueling up your bodies, you are boosting your metabolism, and your body goes back to like, boom, melting off fats, melting off stubborn fats, calories, helping you to become slimmer by the day. And it's fantastic because it is natural. There is no GMOs. There is no chemicals in it. It's just the power of Mother Nature. And that's why I always tell people, the minute you decide you're going to use Mitolyn, take it seriously, guys, because it's going to do so much for you. One tiny capsule a day with a huge glass of water, and that's it. And when you come to think about the treatment, it doesn't take that long, you know? You can do it for like 3 months or 6 months, depending on how many weight you need to put off. But give it a shot. I know you're not going to regret using Mitolyn. This is going to help you become healthy. It's going to restore your confidence, boost your self-esteem. You're going to feel gorgeous, look gorgeous, and imagine having everyone complimenting you on your success on weight loss, okay? So pop over to Mitolyn's official webpage to learn more. And don't forget, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee too waiting for you over there in case you need it, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you out. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.